So there are a ton of options out there as far as phone mounts for your vehicle. Today, I would love to do a review on the LISEN phone mount. Hi, my name is Marlena, and I've been using phone mounts for my vehicle for many years. The vehicle I drive is a Nissan Rogue, and with the Nissan Rogue, I felt like I've always been limited with the types of phone mounts I could use just because the dashboard is a little awkward. It's curved. There's not a lot of flat surfaces, as well as the vent clips. The vent clips here, they're not your typical parallel vent fins. It's these circular AC vents. But with this LISEN brand, I can use either setup. And it comes with two different types of mounting options. You get a vent hook option here, which I'm actually able to make it work for my Nissan Rogue. I'll demonstrate that in a bit. And then it has a dashboard sticky mount here, which is nice because what makes the LISEN brand able to be more versatile, regardless of what type of dashboard you have, is because it has two adhesive pads that are on these little swivels. So it really can customize how you set this up on your dashboard, regardless of what shape or size. Like you can even set it up on a 90-degree angle because of how the dashboard mount is set up. With the LISEN magnetic base here, so me and my husband, we use iPhones, and as long as you have an iPhone 12 or newer, you can easily attach this to your phone. If you don't have an iPhone 12 or newer, this also works for a MagSafe case. But say if you don't have a MagSafe case or a magnetic phone, LISEN brand does come with a magnetic ring that easily attaches to your phone or case, and it has a nice little guide here that helps you to make sure that you install the ring properly. So with the LISEN vent clip, all you do is you turn the base here, and what that does, it extends the clip out to where you can easily hook it onto whatever vent fin you have. Now, they recommend this for a parallel vent fin only. They don't recommend it for like something like my vehicle here with the Nissan Rogue, but I was able to get creative to make the vent clip work. But what I want to do today is set this up for my dashboard. So with my dashboard, I have already cleaned the dashboard and I'm ready to install the actual mount. So it has two stickers or adhesive pads here. All you're going to do is peel this off like so. And where I decided I want to place mine is in this little space here. And again, I love it because there's two pads here that can really contour to my dashboard. And so all you do is line up right where you want the pads, like this. And then from there, it tells you to press down 3 times to get it right in place. And then now what I do is I just have to wait 24 hours for the adhesive to set in. So it does recommend that you wait that 24 hours before you use it. So once you wait your 24 hours and you have your dash mount secured, all you're going to do is take the magnetic base here and install it. This goes on like that. You snap that on, and then you twist that to tighten it. And you just keep turning it until it's nice and snug, and then that's it. So now I'm able to put my phone on there, and you can go vertical or horizontal. So like that, or if you wanted to go vertical, you would do like that. And what's nice is that you could just really customize the angle of how you want the phone facing you. But like right there looks pretty perfect to me. And then what's nice too is that the LISEN, you can plug in, it comes with a power cord that you can plug into the base of the phone mount there. And it's a USB-C, and that will, you can connect to a phone charger. So what's nice though is that plugging it in, it gives you, it keeps your phone charged. So if you're on a long drive and you're using your GPS, that can very quickly run down the power on your phone. But having it plugged in to your car, it will charge it while you're using it. So that's very nice to have too. So yes, the LISEN brand, highly recommended if you're looking for a phone mount for your car, just because it's so versatile, as well as I feel like this brand is going to be very very compatible with most vehicles out there, especially with me having this Nissan Rogue with an awkward dashboard and awkward vent clips. I was able to make it work. So I hope you found this video helpful, and thank you so much for watching.